Right guys, so in this video I'm going to be telling you about automata and what is actually automata. So what is the automata? Automata theory is the study of abstract machine and automata. We have the automata for we have the automata for doors, we have the automata for cars, we have the automata for operating windows, we have the automata for ACs, and we have the automata for airplanes. So automatic and automata is a similar thing. So a thing which runs without input is called automata. We actually input something, we actually process, and then we output. So in this discussion, in this video, we are gonna learn about automata. I'm gonna have to tell you about very quickly what is the automata of switch. This small arrow shows that the state is off, and this thing, if you press the large arrow and the label above it, it shows that this is being processed. If you have this process, then the state turns to on, and so forth. So I remote control image processing, or sir, that told us. I forgot the name of the teacher. Sir Azmat. Sir Azmat told us that he's building an FYP, and in his FYP he's building an eye remote control image processing device that actually, if you look into any specific part of the screen and you want to, if you keep looking at this part of the screen for like 10 seconds, then that part of the screen gets triggered. For example, if this is your screen, right here. Where's my screen? Yes. So if this is my screen and there's the volume up button, there's the volume low button, and if I keep looking at this point for like 10 seconds, and there's a camera right here that is being triggering into my eye, that if I look for more than 15 seconds, then the volume is gonna change up. The volume is gonna raise to whatever the volume is, and if I keep looking at this negative sign, the volume is gonna lower down. So here, what's the automata of we are building the automata of reading and not reading. Excuse me, this is the red light automata. If we are staying at the signal, if a person is on a signal and he's reading a newspaper in his car, so if he does not read, if the light is red, hold on, this is the correct version right over here. See, if the light is red, automata of traffic light, if the light is red, then you stop. If the light is green, then you move. So it's that we're trying to show right here is if the light gets to red, well, excuse me, this is not the correct thing, so we'll move to this thing. Okay, so if the light is red, we stop. If the light is green, we move. So this right here is the automata of sit-ups. If we sit down, and if the 5 minutes get complete, then we sit down. If the 5 minutes complete, then we stand up. So this is the automata of sit-ups. So right now we have the automata of being in the class. If you study, you stay in the class. If you do not study, you stay out of the class. If you study, if you concentrate, you're in the class. If you do not concentrate, you get out of the class. And once you're out of the class, it doesn't matter if you concentrate or do not concentrate, you are still out of the class. So this plus sign shows the OR, and this shows the OR logic. And if we build like a table of that, if you do not concentrate, see, this can be represented in terms of zeros and one. If you concentrate, if you do not concentrate, then you're also out of the class. If you concentrate, then you're out of the class. So this is the automata of being in a class.